In this video, I'm going to be talking about not eligible for TikTok and a fix for it. So generally, when you try to access TikTok and you're not of the minimum age, you will not be eligible to use TikTok. In some countries, you have to be 13 and older, and in some countries, it's even higher than that. So unfortunately, if you don't meet the minimum age requirements, you won't be able to use TikTok. But if that's not the case, let's talk about some of the other things that you can do to try and fix this. So the first thing to do is tap on the Me icon at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on those three vertical dots at the top right. And then you just want to scroll down until you see Cache and Cellular Data. Tap on Free Up Space. Now it might look slightly different on an iPhone, but just tap on where you can see cache. Now you want to go ahead and clear your cache. Now another way to do this if you're on an Android device is to go to your settings, and once you're on your settings page, you can go to apps. Tap on apps once again at the top, and then you just want to search for TikTok, and there where it says storage, you want to tap on storage, and then you want to clear cache from here as well. So those are some of the things that you can do to fix the not eligible for TikTok problem. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.